What do you think of the castle so far? Huh?
I don't see a I see a train.